Chapter 11: Basic Problems of Economy and Solutions. Introduction. Economic activities involve production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Economic problem is a problem related to economic activities. Every economy faces certain common basic problems related to economic activities. These are: 1. What to produce? This problem is related to the selection of goods and services to be produced. Every economy has to decide whether to produce consumer goods like rice, wheat, clothes, etc., or capital goods like machinery, equipment, etc. An economy has to also make a choice between necessary goods and luxury goods. Generally, in an economy, topmost priority is given to the production of goods and services that are meant for mass consumption. 2. How to produce? This problem deals with the choice of techniques used for production of goods and services. There are two techniques of production, that is: A. Labor-intensive technique, where more labor and less machinery is used. Example: handloom industry. B. Capital-intensive technique. Involves production of goods and services using more machinery than labor. Example: modern textile mills. The technique used by any economy should lead to maximum utilization of available resources. 3. For whom to produce? An economic problem mainly arises due to scarcity of resources and thus limits the production of goods and services in the economy. It is therefore necessary for every economy to decide whether it is supposed to produce for the rich people or the poor. This problem is related to distribution of production among the people. 4. How much to produce? The decision regarding how much to produce depends upon population growth, availability of resources, and size of market. The level of production is determined by the availability of resources. A country with a large population will require more quantity of production. 5. By whom to produce? This problem is related to the ownership and control of productive activities in an economy. The production is owned, controlled, and operated by private individuals in capitalist economy, by the government in socialist economy, and in case of mixed economy, by both, that is, individuals in private sector and government in public sector. How best are the resources being used? This problem is related to the effective allocation and proper utilization of resources. Available resources in an economy should be used effectively in order to ensure their optimum allocation among different activities and thereby obtain maximum total output. Solution: basic economic problems can be solved according to the type of economy followed in the country. A. Capitalist economy. In this case, there is no government interference in economic activities. The decisions are taken based on free play of demand and supply forces. While producers adopt the most efficient technique of production to earn maximum profit, consumers also enjoy the freedom to choose what and how much to buy. Example, USA. B. Socialist economy. In this type of economy, the government identifies certain objectives and priorities on which it bases its decisions related to production of goods and services. Consumers do not enjoy the freedom to choose their options since goods and services are distributed on the basis of needs only. Example, China. C. Mixed economy. In this type of economy, there is coexistence of the public sector, government-owned, and private sector owned by individuals. While the decisions of the private sector are based on the principle of profit maximization, that of the public sector are on the basis of no profit, no loss, keeping the interest of the people at large. Example, India.